Welcome to the future of precision bending. Meet the CIDAN FX Series, a 14-gauge CNC folding machine available in both 126 and 161-inch folding capacities. Featuring a 5.9-inch opening height, adjustable touchscreen with ProLink software, crowning adjustment, 61-inch back gauge with X-taper, 4.9-inch high-divided tooling, and a 2-year parts and labor warranty. Get ready to revolutionize your workshop with the CIDAN FX Series. Our ProLink software enhances metal forming production with automatic folding and collision detection. An adjustable 18.5-inch touchscreen, remote offline programming, and the ability to link with our new IT software. Achieving efficiency has never been easier. No more manual shimming. The FX Series comes standard with crowning adjustment. This makes setup a breeze when folding various material types and thicknesses. Exclusive to CIDAN, our programmable taper gauging ensures easy control of overlaps for gutters, copings, or any profile you desire tapered. It is all automatic, no more manual gauges. The solid lower beam tool prevents sensitive materials like aluminum, zinc, and copper from getting damaged during clamping and hemming. Ready to take your designs to the next level? CIDAN's Combi Beam was invented and patented back in 1987. This option comes with 4.9-inch high-divided tooling, allowing for enhanced geometry with the ability to form four-sided parts like boxes, pans, and chimney caps with ease. With CIDAN X Space, enjoy greater freedom to design and fold your profiles. Say goodbye to limitations as you effortlessly create profiles that were once difficult or impossible to fold. Experience the future of metal fabrication with the CIDAN FX Series. Contact us today and elevate your bending capabilities to new heights.